If you are wondering if Google Pixel 9a has memory card slot, then the answer is unfortunately no. As you can see here, I have the SIM tray that I removed from the phone, and we only have one SIM card slot. At the reverse, there is no slot for second SIM actually, and therefore this is all we can use. So here I have the microSD card. As you can see, it is pretty much as big as the whole SIM tray, so there is no way to even insert it, let alone the fact that we have just one SIM slot. It means that there is no way to use microSD card. Therefore, if you actually want to use microSD card at any cost, then in that case you need to have a memory card reader that you can connect with USB-C cable. For example, this one over here. It's quite huge, but of course it still does the job if needed. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!